In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Gap gift card. Whether you're shopping for a last-minute present or planning ahead, the process is simple, flexible, and only takes a few minutes. You have two main ways to buy: directly from Gap's official gift card page, which is the recommended route, or through a trusted third-party gift card seller. Going straight to Gap is the most straightforward option because you'll know you're getting an official card with clear terms. On the Gap site, start by choosing the type of card that fits your situation. If you prefer something you can hold or wrap, pick a physical gift card. It can be mailed to you if you want to present it in person or sent directly to the recipient for convenience. If time matters, choose an e-gift card. It arrives by email, usually within hours, making it perfect for same-day gifting. Next, select the amount that matches your budget. Then personalize the card with the recipient's name and a short message. Keep the note friendly and specific, and take a moment to double-check the email address or mailing address to make sure it lands in the right place. When you're ready to pay, you can check out with a credit or debit card or use PayPal. After purchase, you'll receive an order confirmation. It's a good idea to save that confirmation or take a quick screenshot so you can reference it if you need support later. If you prefer to buy through a third-party seller, stick to reputable retailers you already trust. Make sure the listing clearly states it's a Gap gift card and review the terms so you understand exactly what you're getting. This helps you avoid confusion and ensures the card works where you need it. There are a few helpful facts to keep in mind. Gap gift cards usually work not only at Gap, but also at Old Navy, Banana Republic, and Athleta, giving the recipient more ways to shop. Official Gap gift cards do not expire and don't have service fees, so the full value stays intact until it's used. Also, US Gap gift cards are generally redeemable only in the United States and Canada. If the recipient is outside those regions, make sure you verify the card's eligibility before you buy. That's it. Choose where to buy, pick physical or e-gift, select the amount, personalize it, and pay securely. With those steps, you'll have a thoughtful gift ready to go in no time.